Today, we are putting together alphabet sounds teaching tubs. Let's get started. Let's get a bucket and a lid. Now, let's find the sticker with the letter J, uppercase J and lowercase j. And we put it on top of the lid. Nice. Next, we're going to put the sticker that goes on this tub, which is the letter J, uppercase J and lowercase j. All right, let's find what goes underneath the J. There it is, uppercase J and lowercase j. All right, let's get started. For J, we need to find a Jeep. There's a Jeep. It's a type of automobile. Next, we need to find something called a jack. A jack is a game piece, and it looks like this. Next is a jet. The jet is a type of airplane, and it can fly really fast. Next, we are looking for a jellyfish. There is the jellyfish. Look how wonderful. Next, we're looking for a jacket. And next thing I'm looking for is juice. And all of these things start with the letter J. Let's find the uppercase J. There it is. And the lowercase j. Wonderful. Let's put it in. Put the lid on it. And that is all the things with the letter J. See you next time.